This game is similar to the card game War, except we're going to use money instead of playing card values. So you can see 3 decks, one with coins, one with bills, and one mixed with both. You can play with any of the decks for various levels of challenge. Let's play with the coin deck first. The goal of the game is to win all the cards in the deck. Both players are going to flip the top card at the same time. You can count down if you want. 3, 2, 1, flip. The player with the higher value coin wins both coins. Here you can see that the toonie is greater than the nickel, so player 2 wins. Place both coins in player 2's collection pile. Let's keep playing. 3, 2, 1, flip. Here you can see that the dime is smaller than the loonie, so again, player 2 wins. You will encounter coins where you can only see the backs. When this happens, just like with physical coins, you need to compare the size of the coins. In this case, the coin on the left is smaller in size. We also know that the dime is the smallest sized common silver coin, so player 1 wins. Both coins are put in player 1's collection pile. So we can see this again. The dime is on the left and the nickel is on the right, because the dime is the smaller sized coin and the nickel is a slightly larger sized coin. When you flip over 2 pieces of money with the same value, there is a war. Draw the top 3 cards from your deck and place them to the side. Make sure you put all 3 cards in a stack because it will make it easier to move them later. Next, flip over the top card of your deck. Again, the piece of money with the higher value wins. So in this case, player 1 wins because the loonie is greater than the dime. Place all the cards in player 1's collection pile. There are 2 extensions if you want to practice adding money values. These can be played with any of the decks. Let's use the bill deck for the first extension. In this extension, you can choose to play the game so that when there is a war, you need to do the following instead. Move the cards into the collection pile, then draw 3 cards, flip them over, and add up the money. Whoever has the greatest sum wins. If the sum is equal, you draw 1 more card, and whoever has the highest card wins. Here, player 1 has $50 plus $20 plus $10 for a total of $80. Player 2 has $5 plus $20 plus $20 for a total of $45, so player 1 wins. Again, all of the cards then are placed in the collection pile of the player who won. Let's use the mixed deck, coins and bills for the second extension. In this extension, you can choose from 2 different options. First, pick a certain number of rounds to play. In option 1, at the end of the rounds, add all your money to find the total amount. The player with the most money wins. In option 2, count the number of different kinds of coins and bills. the player with the greatest number of different kinds of money wins. Let's play for 3 rounds. In round 1, player 2 wins. In round 2, player 1 wins. And in round 3, player 2 wins. At the end of the 3 rounds, let's spread out all of the cards from the collection piles. We'll play with both options in this example. With option 1, if we add all the money together, player 1 has $70 and player 2 has $22.25. So, player 1 wins. With option 2, when we count the number of different kinds of money, player 1 has 2 different kinds of money, a $50 bill and a $20 bill. And player 2 has 3 different kinds of money, a $20 bill, a quarter, and a loonie. So, player 2 wins. Finally, here are some notes to help make playing the game easier. If you run out of cards in your deck, you can easily flip the whole pile by clicking the number on the left of the pile and selecting Flip Stack. Then, you can move the whole pile to your deck holder by clicking and dragging that same number. Now you can continue playing. You can also change the settings of the card decks so that the card faces enlarge when you hover over them. To do so, click Edit Table. Then click the deck that you want to edit. Select Edit Deck, and then in the drop-down menu, select Enlarge. Then click Done. You can do this with as many decks as you'd like. For this example, we'll just leave it like this. To exit edit mode, click Edit Table again. Now, when you play, you'll see the card magnified. This can help players who want to see the images of the money at a larger scale. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have fun playing!